Here is how you can upload and embed videos from YouTube directly into Schoology. First thing you'll need to do is you need to go to YouTube, right-click the video, click on Copy Embed Code, then go to your course, go here to Add Materials, Add a Page, click on the Insert Content button, Image Media, from the web, and then click on Media. Here you will paste your embed code from YouTube and click Insert Media. You can then resize the image as needed here. Give it a title, and then create. Now you can click on the video, link here, to see if it's working. And that is how you can add and upload videos as embedded content to Schoology.